comes to the points now, we're going to just basically add them. Now, before you add them as they are, you may want to copy the HTML code. Now, the thing is, if you like copy the HTML code by itself, it may mix up the stuff. So let me try to do that. Let me try to do this. Try to copy that and paste that here just in case. And then let me try to copy the HTML code, because the way Amazon works is that you have to only paste one at a time. So just one moment here. I will take the first one, copy HTML code, and I will go to product dimensions, and I will go to the features area, and I'll go ahead and paste it, and I'll go to add more. Then I'll go and pick the second one from my Word document. I'll cut that. I'll go ahead and delete that, add that. Then I will also copy HTML code. It's very easy. And paste that. I'll go to add more again. I'll go back to my Word page, copy that, cut that. Actually, I already pasted that, so I'll also delete that. And I'll go ahead to back to the software, add that, copy HTML code. Oh, there's an issue here. Because of copying from one software to another. Next adventure. Okay, so copy. Now you see it says the description field contains an invalid value. When that happens, it's mainly due to the fact that you copied the code directly from Word to Amazon, which is the HTML stuff. So that's why it's important to always clean up the HTML thing. Okay, so what I would do in this particular case, I'll just cut this and see what point was causing an issue. So it was the second point. Now I'll go ahead, go back to this, select all, paste that, and then I'll just go to clean up HTML. After I clean up HTML, it will remove all the things that belongs to Word, and only leave me with the HTML, pure HTML. Let me just also fix that, it's replacement. And then I'll go to copy HTML, and then I'll go back to pasting that there. So now it shouldn't bring me any issues. Let's move on. So I say that I was done with that. Wait, how many have I posted yet? 2, so I still have 3, and this was already posted. So that means there is one more here. Okay, there we go. There's where I was. So before clean up HTML, then go ahead and copy that to ensure that you don't get the same error. I bold that, I mean. Then and then next adventure, Tumblrs. Then copy that HTML code and paste it on the features area, and then add more. Go back to the source. I already used that. Let's go to that. Oops. Okay. We cut that. We paste it on the software. Oops. On the software. And then we clean up HTML. We bold. We fix the word format issues. This is due to changing softwares and stuff. Once done, we copy HTML. We go back to Amazon. We paste that there. That will be in 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add the last one, which is the warranty and stuff. Satisfaction guaranteed. We cut that. We go back to the software. We select that. We paste. We clean up HTML, and we bold that. We remove the word formatting issues, changing softwares, and I think we already cleaned up. And then we copy HTML and we paste that on Amazon. Okay, so we're done. So there are no more errors. We already added the key features. We already added the description. Now, as we move on, I will create another video for the keyword area and how you can add your keywords, how you can get the right keywords and add them on your product. However, this is the basic listing. We have the description in place. We have the features in place. We have the images in place, the offer in place. Everything is perfect the way it's supposed to be. So I'll just go ahead and save that. But before you save, let me just see if everything is working perfectly. I'm just trying to search a random search on Google. Okay, everything is working fine. I'll go ahead and save that. Boom, there you have it. Everything is great. Everything worked well. And so it says, thank you for suggesting changes to notice forever, reflected in 15 minutes. So, and the reason, sometimes if you, especially if you add these images, new images, what I realize that Amazon will take a bit of time to to show up the images. I'm thinking that's because they have to be reviewed by probably a real person, not just a machine. So we should expect these listings to be ready by the next video, so that we can also I can also go ahead and show you the keyword section and stuff, and how we can finish that area too. But the basic listing is done. We have our images down, we have our offer down, our about section, description, with very high quality graphics, and you also have our key features in place. So that's how you create a very basic Amazon listing, and with time you will be able to now enter more stuff, or you should be able to enter more stuff and to start selling on Amazon once the listing is already active. So I will be sure to visit our website at AHMED.com. I'll be sure to leave all the links in the description. If you need to contact us, feel free to do that on Facebook, via email, and also visit our website and sign up at AHMED.com. Create your own user, and it should take you less than 5 minutes, and you will have access to the best training materials when it comes to starting and running your own online store, regardless of where you're located in the world. And we'll help you that. If you have any questions or any issues, feel free to contact us at any time, and we'll be in touch with you. We'll also help you create your own listing if you need help with that, and we'll also help you get the right images for your item. We also provide Photoshop services if you need to create your listing and you need Photoshop pics. We also help you with that, so feel free to contact us at any time, regardless of where you're located. We will help you set up your own online store. And as you know, Amazon is still expanding. This is just the beginning. We have Amazon now launching in various places in the world, apart from just the normal ones that we know already, like Amazon.com, Amazon UK, Amazon India, Amazon China, Japan, and stuff. Amazon is launching to areas in the world where you wouldn't expect to have an Amazon store in the past like 10 years. However, and that's why this is the best time to become an FBA seller. Not only that, but we are going to the end of the year celebrations and holidays such as Christmas, Happy New Year, And you know, all these coming holidays are very significant, especially in the US market. So you may want to take a piece of this pie. You may want to have your product already launched on Amazon and selling and ready to sell, so when customers go ahead and start looking for gifts for their loved ones, when it comes to New Year celebrations and stuff, you will have your product ready for sale. And you may also want to use other stuff, and we'll speak on that later. However, this is all you need to know when it comes to creating a basic listing. So I believe by the next video, this listing should be done and we should be able to see how it looks. And until the next time, have a good one. Thank you.